so funny, TSM?
I know you heard about Tay Eats, Tay Eats, Tay Eats. The food was up when you were around Tay Eats, Tay Eats, Tay Eats. I know you heard about Tay Eats, Tay Eats, Tay Eats. The food was up when you were around Tay Eats, Tay Eats, Tay Eats.
Hey y'all, welcome back. What's up, y'all? We have Chipotle. We got a Chipotle bowl. I got some taco shells, some chips, some vinaigrette, some, what is this, Chipotle Tabasco. And we also gonna do the pickles, y'all. Again, we're gonna try it again with the pickles. And I got some cheese. Y'all check me out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and y'all check out the 9%. Y'all check out the family, okay? How's everyone doing, you guys? I hope everyone is well. I'm doing pretty good, y'all. I'm doing pretty good. I don't have any complaints. I got beans, rice, pico, guac, vegetables, corn, and salsa. Let's put some of this vinaigrette. Oh, let's add a pickle too. Y'all see I got my hair done. Finally did something different to my hair. Okay. Let's put the vinaigrette on. And now the pickle. Let's try this out, y'all. Burn. So good though, y'all. Are y'all ready for Christmas? Y'all, I am putting my Christmas tree. I got my Christmas tree up as we speak. I just put it up too. Maybe about like an hour ago. I haven't put all the decorations on it. And I've been decorating the house. Yeah, I had one more taco shell. As I was setting up, it broke. I was so mad. I kind of like bumped the table or something. And it broke. So yeah. But yeah, y'all. Shout out to Living Life at Home. At Home with Lisa. Y'all should go watch her channel. Especially if you're into like home decor and stuff like that, y'all. I thought it was too early to kind of put my Christmas tree up, because y'all, I always put my Christmas tree up so late. I'm proud of myself, okay? I'm very proud of myself because I typically put my tree up really late. It'd be like the middle of December, or it'd be like, sometimes it might be the beginning of December, but I put my tree up so late. I think this is the earliest I've ever put my tree up. So I am so happy. But I was asking Living Life, I don't know why I keep trying to, her other channel is Living Life with Lisa. But at Home with Lisa, I was asking her, I was like, is it too early to put up my tree? She like, no, it's not. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna put it up. So yeah, y'all, I got my tree up. Let's try it without the pickle. Let's do it without the pickle, okay? This a fact. Did I put hot sauce, y'all? I don't know. We're gonna go with it. But yeah, y'all, I got my tree up. I got some of my decorations up. I'm so proud of myself. I've even done like a little Christmas shopping already, which I'm not gonna be getting much. I'm be getting more so clothes. My kids need clothes, you know what I mean? Mamas, daddies, y'all know how it is when the season change. What does that mean? Gotta get clothes for the kids. I mean, you gotta spend money. Money. That was fire. With that chip, that was fire. Y'all, I ain't full. Okay? This has been a nice little chit chat. Well, oh, excuse me. But I'm gonna lay down. Let me stop playing. Like I'm gonna finish decorating this tree. Not yet. Not now. I done came from the store. I done went grocery shopping for the week. I put out the tree. I decorated a little bit, y'all. So I'm tired a little bit, so I'm gonna lay down, okay? I will see y'all in the next one. Y'all be safe. Y'all be blessed. Peace.